How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I wanted to quickly share with you guys the best discount you can get for ExpressVPN. I know the current cost is going to be, as you can tell here, $832 a month for the 12-month plan. It's about the best discount you can get if you go to the website without any discount links. But if you click the link in the description down below, it'll take you to this page right here, and you'll be able to claim 3 extra months for free. So if you guys are interested in this deal, you'll find a link in the description down below. Keep in mind, all the plans, whether you get the 6-month plan, 12-month plan, or 1-month plan, you'll be able to get yourself the refund in the unlikely event that you're not satisfied with the service because of the 30-day money-back guarantee. So it's a risk-free process to at least try out the service for the first 30 days, and you do have live chat support to help you with that. And they'll refund you within 3 to 4 business days, of course, in the unlikely event that you're not satisfied with the service. Now, I've been using ExpressVPN for over a couple of years, and I really have no reason to complain about it. So it's a pretty good service overall. I love the compatibility and the ease of use and just how reliable it is at unblocking streaming services and bypassing geo restrictions. But if you guys are interested in learning more about ExpressVPN, you'll find a full review in the description down below. And of course, you'll find a discount link, which will take you straight to this right here, to this little offer. So be sure to take advantage of it while it lasts if you guys are interested in ExpressVPN. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.